Hi, friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Tonight, Daniel and Chloe are going out for a fun movie night. As we follow their evening, we'll learn vocabulary and phrases about movie types, buying tickets, ordering snacks, and sharing a simple movie review. Together, let's practice English and explore everyday life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started. It was a Friday afternoon. Daniel had just finished his day, and he wanted to do something fun tonight. So he picked up his phone and called Chloe to see if she wanted to watch a movie together.
Hey, Daniel.
Hey Chloe, are you free tonight?
Yeah, I'm free. Why?
Want to go see a movie?
Sounds fun. What's playing?
I checked online. There's a new comedy and an action movie.
I love comedies. What time does it start?
Give me a sec. The comedy starts at 7:30 p.m.
Great! Should I buy my ticket online?
Nah, don't worry. I got both tickets.
Awesome. Thanks, Daniel.
Should we meet at the cinema around 7?
Sounds great. I'm looking forward to tonight.
Me too. See you then, Chloe.
See you. Bye.
Movies come in many different types. Now let's take a look at what kinds of movies people like to watch. Comedy movie. A funny movie that makes people laugh. I love comedies. They always make me smile. Action movie. A movie with fast scenes, fighting, and exciting moments. Action movies are so exciting to watch. Romance movie. A movie about love and sweet relationships. I watch romance movies when I want something warm and cute. Drama movie. A movie about real emotions and serious stories. Drama movies make me think deeply about life. Sci-fi movie. A movie about the future, space, or advanced technology. Sci-fi movies make me imagine what the future might be like. Horror movie. A scary movie with shocking or spooky moments. Horror movies are too scary for me at night. Fantasy movie. A magical movie set in an imaginary world. I love fantasy movies. They feel like a dream. Superhero movie. A movie about heroes with special powers. Superhero movies are fun and inspiring. Around 7 p.m., Chloe and Daniel arrived at the cinema. The evening air was cool, and the city lights were starting to shine. The entrance was bright and busy, perfect for a Friday movie night. Chloe spotted Daniel walking toward her with a smile.
Hey Chloe, you made it.
Hi, Daniel. Yeah, I got here a few minutes ago. Wow, it's really crowded tonight.
I know, right? Fridays are always busy. Should we pick up the tickets first?
Sure. Where's the ticket machine?
Over there, next to the big movie poster. Let's go before the line gets longer.
They walked to the ticket machines glowing under bright posters. Daniel scanned the QR code, and the machine started printing.
All right, I'll scan the code and print our tickets.
Okay, which seats did you choose?
Middle row, right in the center. You said you liked a good view.
You remember.
That's perfect.
Here we go. Printed.
Nice, that was fast.
Yep, online tickets make everything easier.
So, snacks next?
Absolutely, I can already smell the popcorn.
Now let's take a look at some useful phrases for buying movie tickets. Where is the ticket counter?
Where is the ticket counter?
2 tickets for Superman, please.
2 tickets for Superman, please.
What time is the next showing?
What time is the next showing?
Do you have seats in the middle?
Do you have seats in the middle?
I prefer the back row. I prefer the front row.
I prefer the back row. I prefer the front row.
Can I choose my seats?
Can I choose my seats?
Are there any seats together?
Are there any seats together?
The warm smell of popcorn filled the air. Chloe and Daniel stepped up to the snack counter. Movie nights always began with choosing the perfect snack.
Hi, what can I get for you?
1 large popcorn, please.
Sure. Would you like butter, caramel, or plain?
Let's go with butter, please. And a medium Coke.
Would you like to make it a combo?
What's included?
Popcorn and any medium drink?
Sure, I'll take the combo.
No problem. Anything else?
Do you have pretzels today?
Yes, pretzels are fresh today.
I'll have a soft pretzel with cheese sauce, please.
Is that everything?
That's all.
Your total is $18.50. Cash or card?
Credit, please.
Perfect. Here you go. Enjoy your movie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, snacks ready. Let's head in before the previews start.
Yes, I don't want to miss the trailers.
Now let's check out some popular movie snacks and see how to order them at the counter. Popcorn and Coke. I'd like a medium popcorn and a large Coke. Nachos and slushie. Can I get nachos and a blue slushie? Candy and water. Could I have a pack of candy and a bottle of water? Hot dog and fries. May I have 1 hot dog and an order of fries? Chicken tenders and Sprite. I'll take chicken tenders and a Sprite. Soft pretzel and cheese sauce. I'll go with a soft pretzel and cheese sauce. Chocolate bar and coffee. For me, a chocolate bar and a cup of coffee, please. Tickets in hand, Daniel and Chloe headed toward Hall 3. At the entrance, a theater staff member scanned their tickets with a friendly smile.
Hi there. Tickets, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. You're in Hall 3. Second door on the right. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you.
Hall 3, we won't get lost.
Unless you turn the wrong way again.
Hey, that was one time.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Come on, the door's right there.
The theater was dim. People whispered softly as the screen glowed beneath the previews.
We're in row F, seats 11 and 12.
Here, this row.
Excuse me. Thank you.
These are ours.
Perfect seats, right?
Yeah, you picked well.
Popcorn in the middle?
Good idea.
Here we go. The trailers are starting.
Shh, I love trailers.
The movie started with a funny scene, and the audience laughed quietly.
That part was so funny.
Yeah, didn't expect that.
Can you pass the popcorn?
Here, save some for me.
No promises.
Having fun?
Yeah, a lot.
The credits began to roll as the lights slowly brightened. People stretched, gathered their things, and started talking about their favorite scenes.
So, what did you think?
I loved it. I almost cried from laughing. The ending was so funny.
I know, that twist was amazing. And the main actor, his acting was really good.
Yeah, he was hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing.
Now that the movie is over, let's look at some easy ways to talk about what you thought of it. It was so funny.
It was so funny.
That part was crazy.
That part was crazy.
The acting was great.
The acting was great.
The music made the movie better.
The music made the movie better.
Not bad, not great.
Not bad, not great.
It was a bit boring.
It was a bit boring.
Not my type of movie.
Not my type of movie.
They both laugh as they walk out of the theater.
I'm glad we picked the comedy. It was the perfect choice for tonight.
Me too. Thanks again for the tickets.
Of course, anytime. Want to grab a drink?
Sure, there's a cozy cafe nearby.
Chloe and Daniel walked into the night, laughing, talking, and already choosing their next movie. Sometimes the best nights are the simple ones, spent with the right person. And that's it for Daniel and Chloe's movie night. I hope you picked up some useful movie expressions along the way and discovered a little more about everyday life in North America. Don't forget to subscribe and join us again for more fun and easy English learning. Thank you for spending your time with us, and see you next time. Bye for now.